Hi, I just thought I would make a quick little clip because I think I may have the very last jar in New Zealand of, see, it's possibly reading backwards, I'll tell you, Salisbury ham and chicken flavoured spread. Now this stuff has been in the New Zealand shops for decades, and then quietly, all of a sudden, poof, gone. And, you would find people posting on Facebook, what happened? Where is it? Where can I find? Where can I buy? I can't get it anywhere. And here is this jar that was sitting in my pantry for simply forever. And I've just taken the outer plastic seal off it, and as you can see, the button is still down. Can't push it down, so the button's still down, but the date, see this, I don't recall exactly when they stopped making it, but the factory shut down. That's it, done. They're not doing it anymore. People, I'll tell you, I should have sold it. I contemplated selling it on Trade Me. I really did. Because I thought, what would someone pay for this? The possibly last jar in New Zealand. What would someone pay? They were like, what, $2, $3 something a jar? They're only a tiny little jar. I mean, would you pay $20? Would someone pay $100? That's where I was going. I was going, could I get myself something off my I need list by selling a little thing like this? Then I thought, what are you doing? What are you doing, lady? Eat it yourself. So anyway, I'm in the pantry looking for a snack to go with my green tea. And I saw that I had some crackers there, and I looked at this and I thought, okay, this is what we're doing. Because the date on it, gosh, I can't see, old lady's eyes, is 28th of July 25. Can you see that? And it'll be all backwards as well. Possibly, I don't know. But anyway, there you go. And so, pulled out my crackers and it was my last 4 crackers. Lucky day for me. So I took as I said, took the plastic seal off it. I'm going to pop this open and share this very moment with you. I'm sorry if you were pissed off at me. And I'm sorry if you're going to say, I would have paid $500 for that last jar. Oh, geez, bloody, just don't even tell me if that's what you would have paid. Don't tell me. Just, enjoy. Okay. I mean, who knows? It's that close to the date. What is today's date? Okay, so it turns out today is the 22nd. Now you want proof? Here we go. 22nd. So we're doing okay. Right, back. Oh, gosh, sorry folks. I am just a menopausal brained woman. It's a little bit like having baby brain. But anyway, here we go, back into the kitchen, where I have possibly the last jar of the Salisbury ham and chicken flavoured spread. And we're going to crack it open. I've looked around here and it just looks like little beads of fat. It's been in my pantry under the shade and the cool. All is good. So hopefully I'm going to be able to film this for you. We will just move that cup of tea out of the way and see what we can do. Right, that looks interesting. Okay, so you can watch me and all my gloriousness do this. Pop perfect. Oh my gosh, it's a moment. It really is a moment. Get my, that luncheon type of smell. Ham and chicken luncheon smell. Smells great. Oh, I don't know if that lighting is actually helping. When I say lighting, it's called sunlight. I know. And July. Sunlight. What? We're not used to that, but hey, that's cool. Right. Here we go. Look, I've got the shakes. I'm that excited. Here we go. Sorry to do that to you, but all the better for doing it rather than throwing it out. I mean, the thing is, these jars of pastes, even past the date, it's the type of thing that would live past the date and would be absolutely fine. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? I'm really hoping that sunlight isn't bothering it too much. Right. Here we go, my lovelies. To you. Okay, so there is an interesting I hope you didn't see a mouthful there. There is an interesting encounter going on. I don't care. I'm still going to finish this and then we'll chat. Hang on. Oh my God. I don't know. What's that? Inside the lid. It's not mold because it's been sealed and it just does not. What that looks like to me is just dried out paste. It's fibrous, it's meaty. It just looks like it's dried out. So it's from the production, you know, plonk, and then it's sort of settled a bit, thrown around while it's still soft before it gets boxed. So I will clean that off before I put it away, that's for sure. And I'm definitely going to be putting it into the fridge, not wasting that, because tomorrow, because I'm actually not meant to be having crackers. I'm trying very hard to be low in carbs here. But tomorrow I will have it on some sort of low carb bread. So thank you very much for being with me and enjoying the possibly last jar of Salisbury ham and chicken flavoured spread. It was wonderful and I'm so glad I could share it with you. Bye for now.